What's up guys, my name is DiDio, and we're learning about the movable major scale in this video. So make sure you stick around because this is very helpful when soloing or creating melodies and chords. So let's jump into it. And I'm not going to play through the whole song right now, but that's just one of the many examples of melodies or solos that can use the major scale. So that's what we're learning in this video, how to play the major scale. Now we're in the G major scale. We're learning the G major scale in this lesson, but you can always move it up. Anyway, yeah, I'm gonna stop there, but you can keep moving it on up as high as you can go. Now, of course, on the acoustic guitar, I can't go as far as you might be able to on the electric, but it's very helpful when soloing. But also, if you think this might sound weird with some songs you've been trying to solo with, it might be because the song is in a minor key. And right here is a video on how to play a minor pentatonic scale, which is a very helpful soloing technique, even in major songs. So that's a very helpful skill to learn as well, but you can also check it out once you're done learning the major scale too. They both really go hand in hand in making a great solo. But if this is your first time here, my name is Evan DiDio, and you're watching the Evan DiDio Show, and on this channel we aim to bring fun, family-friendly videos here on YouTube, product reviews, song lessons, guitar tutorials, vlogs, all that fun jazzy stuff, and I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. But make sure you subscribe if you do like it, or if it brings some value to you. Please consider subscribing, also liking this video, sharing it with your friends, and commenting below if you have any questions. But let's jump into the tutorial section of this video. And remember to slow the video down. You can go into playback settings, you click the three dots up there if you're watching on a mobile device, or below there's some settings. I believe it's right here on the computer screen. Click settings, click playback speed, then you can literally change the speed of the video. Alright, so to start off, our second finger will go on the 3rd fret of the lower E string. Then our pinky or 4th finger will go on the 5th fret of the low E string. Then our 1st finger goes on the 2nd fret of the A string. Then our 2nd finger will go on the 3rd fret of the A string. So what we have so far sounds like this. Next, our pinky goes on the 5th fret of the A string. And then our 1st finger will come up here to the 2nd fret of the D string. Our 3rd finger will go to the 4th fret of the D string. And then our pinky will go to the 5th fret of the D string. So it might sound like it's already finished. That's because we've gone one octave already. So you could even just stop here and be like, I learned a major scale. That is a major scale, but if you'd like to continue that, there is a way to keep going up to the next fret. So let's find out what that is. So after that G note, which is on the 5th fret of the D string with our pinky, we take our 1st finger on the 2nd fret of the G string. Then our 3rd finger again on the 4th fret of the D string. And then our pinky up here to the 5th fret of the G string. And then you can use your 1st finger or 2nd finger. I prefer to use my 2nd finger here on the 3rd fret of the B string. And then our pinky or 4th finger over here on the 5th fret of the B string. Our 1st finger on the 2nd fret of the high E string. And then our 2nd finger on the 3rd fret of the high E string. And then sometimes you can go back up here with your pinky to the 5th fret of the high E string. Anyway, so I'm going to go ahead and play through the scale kind of slow just to give you a chance to play it along with me, but remember you can slow me down however much you want. But let's go ahead and get into it. 1, 2, ready, go. And that's pretty much it for the major scale. Now, the way I would recommend practicing this is going up the scale and then going back down the scale. So yeah, keep going up and down, and then maybe even change spots on the neck. Try doing it up here. Try doing it all over the neck, seeing how much you need to practice maybe. Keep going up and down and up and down. That way you know the scale so well, you can, in the middle of a song, somebody tells you to play, you can just go. I don't know, you can just start soloing with the major scale, mixing some notes together, creating melodies, and it just gets really fun, especially with improv. And now most improv is based off of scales, so if you can learn the scales, then you can improv like anybody else. So make sure, you check out my minor pentatonic video, the video on how to play the minor pentatonic scale, and then also share this video with your friends if you think they would be interested in learning the G major scale as well. But thank you very much for watching. Make sure you consider subscribing, dinging the little bell to get notified, comment if you have any questions, like the video if you did like it, which I hope you did, and then also let me know in the comments if you have a question or if you just enjoyed the video, what you might have liked about it. I mean, I'd prefer not to see what you disliked about it, but sure, go ahead and put it in the comment section below, and I'll talk to you next time. Bye.